UnicodeDecodeError. 3 syllables that have crashed countless Python scripts. Here is how to handle it. When you open a text file in Python, the default encoding depends on your operating system. UTF-8 on Mac, but CP1252 on Windows. Never rely on that default. Always pass the encoding parameter explicitly. For most modern files, specify encoding equals UTF-8. This single argument eliminates the vast majority of encoding errors before they ever happen. UTF-8 handles modern and web content. Latin 1 or ISO 8859. 1 covers legacy Western European files. UTF-1.6 appears in Windows multi-language exports. ASCII works only when you are certain no special characters exist. When encoding is unknown, use the chardet library. Open the file in binary mode with a B, pass the raw bytes to chardet.detect, and it returns a confidence-rated encoding guess. For files with a UTF-8 byte order mark, use UTF-8sig as the encoding and Python strips the BLM automatically. Even with the right encoding, some files contain malformed bytes. Python's errors parameter handles these gracefully. Pass errors equals ignore to silently skip bad characters. Be careful if data accuracy matters. Use errors equals replace to substitute a placeholder character instead. For round-trip scenarios where you need to write bytes back unchanged, surrogateescape is the right choice. Always specify encoding explicitly, use chardet for unknowns, and choose the right error strategy for your data. Keep practicing at Interview Mentor. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.